Let us see the concept of resistors connected in a series. If resistors are connected in a series, what will be the equivalent resistance? Now we are going to find equivalent resistance if they are connected in the series. So in the shown figure, we have three resistors R1, R2, R3 which are connected in series. Current flowing through the resistors is I. The applied voltage is Vs. In series, current becomes constant. In parallel, voltage becomes constant. So to find equivalent resistance, apply KVL to this circuit. By applying KVL to the circuit, here we got Vs equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. By Ohm's law, V equal to I into R. Vs equal to I into R1. This I into R1 indicates the voltage across R1, and the voltage across V2 becomes I into R2. Voltage across V3 becomes I into R3. By taking I common, we can write I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Let us consider this equation becomes 1. Let us consider the second figure as a equivalent circuit for above figure. In the second figure, all resistors are replaced with single resistor. Here we can write Vs equal to, that is voltage equal to I into R equivalent. Now compare 1 and 2. By comparing 1 and 2, we can write R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is the equivalent resistance when three resistors are connected. Similarly, if n resistors are connected in series, then R equivalent becomes R1 plus R2 plus R3 dash dash Rn. In this circuit, the resistors are connected in parallel. In parallel, current is divided. This is the circuit which is having three resistors and current flowing is I, and I is divided as I1, I2, I3. Applied voltage is Vs. Here we need, for parallel circuit, we have to apply KCL. By using KCL, we can write I equal to, that is entering current equal to sum of the leaving currents. I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. By Ohm's law, we can write I equal to V by R. By substituting this Ohm's law in KCL, we'll get here I equal to V by R1. That is current flowing through the R1 is V by R1, V by R2 and V by R3. And I equal to, by taking V common, we can write I equal to V into 1 by R1, 1 by R2 and 1 by R3. So the below figure is a equivalent circuit for above figure. So in this equivalent figure, the resistors R1, R2, R3 are replaced with single resistor, that is R equivalent. Here we can write I equal to V by R equivalent. By comparing this 1 and 2. By comparing 1 and 2, here we can write 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So this is equivalent resistance when resistors are connected in parallel. If n resistors are connected in parallel, then 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by R3 dash dash 1 by R1. Here 1 by R can be replaced with G. So this is about your when resistors are connected in parallel equivalent resistance.